So like,
Wait, did you get this done at like Disneyland? Yeah, I got it done. Can I see? What's this one?
fuck you up, I swear to God. No, I know. Yeah.
It's on my arm.
Ew, let's play games.
Oh my God. Sneeze on Tina too?
Why?
Because she said some girl was coughing and sneezing on me. Gosh. And I just showered? That's
I was like, go eat ramen over there.
Ew! Gross! She sneezed on me. Ew! What the heck?
Ew, Dan, what's wrong with you? Ew, leave the room.
What'd I do?
oh, you did towel!
I got her sick, sorry.
Stop sneezing on me. I'm sorry. Sicko.
Almost 10.
Came to dance. I hit the floor cause that's my planes. I'm wearing all my favorite brands. Give me some space for both my
Yeah.
Oh my God. Your face. What happened? I'm sorry.
She's a little under the weather.
Sorry, Allison.
How did that happen?